So, good morning, students. This class we are going to discuss the proof of root is an irrational number. Okay, root is an irrational number. So, what is the meaning of irrational number? We cannot write the root as in the form of a by b. If root is an irrational number, we can't write in the form of a by b. Okay, so this proof is we prove this by contradiction method. Okay, suppose what is contradiction? Suppose we take root is rational. Root is rational. So rational means we can write root 2 as a by b form. So a by b means here a and b having only common factor is 1. A and b having common factor 1. Okay, having common factor 1. This is we can't reducible. This is irreducible. We can't reducible. So therefore, root is in the form of a by b. The a by b has having common factor only 1, not having other common factor. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get 2 equal to a square by b square. So squaring on both sides, we get 2 equal to a square by b square. So 2b square equal to a square. That is a squared is we get a squared is 2b square. So what is the meaning? This step tells us that a squared is a even number. A squared is the value, the b squared is multiplied by 2. That is a squared is even. Even. A squared is the value multiple of 2. What is a? So we have two cases. Even into even. Odd into odd. Suppose 4 into 6. What is 4 into 6? 24. 4 is the even number, 6 is the even number. The product of these two even number get 24 also a even number. Odd into odd, 3 into 5, this is 15. So a squared is even, then a is should be even. There is no possible a is odd. Okay, so a squared means a into a. So a is even and a is even. So even into even is even. So this case we get a is even. So even means a is multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. That is we take a is equal to 2k. K is one constant. 2 is k is a constant. You substitute this value in this equation. Okay, what is a square? A square is equal to 2b square. You substitute a value here, 2k. 2k whole square is 4k square equal to 2b square. So cancel. So b square equal to 2k square. B square is equal to 2k square. So we get this. This step tells us that b square also even. The same case in the a square. So b square is even. Therefore b is even. So b is even and A is even. What we get now? The A and B having the common point, common factor 2. It is contradiction. It is contradiction. It is contradiction because in starting we take root is A and B. A and B having only common factor 1. This not having factor other than 1. Now we get A and B having common factor is 2. That is we get reducible form. Okay, so this is a contradiction because we take wrong one, root is rational. So what is the conclusion? Our assumption is wrong. We assume starting root is rational, so we go all the step, we get root is irrational. So this is a proof by using the contradiction method. Okay, again I explain this. Root is an irrational means we cannot write in A by B form. Suppose we try to write A by B form, we get it leads to all the step into contradiction form. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What is assumption? Root is rational. So we get finally root is irrational number. Okay, thank you.